What is up, guys? We are here at the Speedwerkz exotic car experience in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I originally did not plan on making a video at all while I was down here, but I saw this place and just couldn't resist. So let's get in there and check it out. This is what they got sitting outside. Just wait till y'all see what they got inside. They said there's over $15 million worth of cars in here. And two of them are over $8 million, just those two alone. So that's crazy. The list of everything they got in there.
You probably put that in there.
I had a little sneak peek through the window. I know they got some cool stuff. Oh yeah. Something over there. That's the whole reason I came in here. I think I'm gonna save it for last. Ferrari 430 Scuderia. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Right next to that, we got a Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. Here's some specs on that. Now this thing is nice. What was that, 911R? They also have full motion sims in here. I was thinking about doing that, but you have to pay extra. I think I'd rather pay extra to sit inside the Lamborghini than to operate a sim, but they are pretty cool.
And then it's all you, okay?
They got 4 of them over here.
Done, so your red contact. Yeah, you're good. If you need help, let me know.
And we got a sick Viper. Not my favorite of years when it comes to Vipers, but still sick. Something about the back end of a Viper is what really gets me. Man, look at them meats on the back. Pretty sick, pretty sick. You want to sit in the Lamborghini? Yeah, I figured I'd let him get the experience of sitting in there. Well, maybe I'll pay for myself too. It's only 10 bucks. Yeah, that thing is sick. Pretty cool, huh?
They got these wheels. They put these in Forza.
Yeah, the HREs.
Yeah.
Gotta do it for you guys. Oh, man. Ooh. Oh, yeah. This is sick right here. Ain't this a POV? Oh, this thing's nice. Alcantara dash. All the switches, all the buttons. Mirror's pretty small. Oh yeah, man. I can see myself in this. I am literally in it, but you know what I mean. These seats, man, they're so comfortable. You wouldn't expect the seats in a car like this to be comfortable, but they are. Crazy. First time ever in a Lamborghini. Pretty sick. Didn't expect the seats to be this comfortable.
Oh yeah, I mean for 15 grand. They
Right.
right.
That thing is sick. see what they got downstairs. Oh yeah.
They got the Enzo. They got the Enzo.
They do, they do. This is kind of the peak when it comes to Porsches. Oh, we got another GT3 right here. Enzo. I've never seen one of these in person. Well, I've never seen half of these cars in person, or maybe any of them, to be honest.
Guess what? Only 500 was built.
$4 million. Amazing. And then right next to it, Chiron, I don't know how you want to pronounce it. That was a good shot.
I know. Looks so red on the camera. Looks like it's glowing.
I ain't much of a McLaren guy, or really a supercar guy at all, to be honest, but you cannot deny how cool these are.
Oh, so it's not that expensive.
Not that expensive, you know. Only $675,000. That ain't that much. Well, compared to when I got $4 million cars behind me, relatively speaking, it's not that much. This thing's pretty sick too. Yeah, the turntable's a little squeaky, but I mean that's alright.
Is this supposed to compete with Ferraris?
Technically in like the GT races, back in the day when the GT40 came out, it beat the Ferraris. That's kind of what gave Ford and Shelby his name. He was able to build one of those and destroyed Ferraris with it. 458 Italia. Hey, only 220. That's cheap compared to the rest of the stuff in here. That's pretty nice. That is pretty nice.
I didn't know it was a 488 or 458.
Yeah, 458 Italia. Pretty sick. That's pretty nice right there too.
It's one of the cheapest ones here too. Just think about that, like, even though they're like 200,000 and stuff, they're still like, that's affordable for a Supra.
But you also got to remember, even though these seem relatively cheap, that's the price of a house.
Yeah, I'd rather buy a car than a house.
You can sleep in a car, you can't drive a house. Now, for what I consider to be the main attraction here, the main reason I came here, one of 3 in the United States of factory TRD wide body 1998 Toyota Supra. Literally my dream car right there. I'd rather have this than a $4 million Bugatti. Hence of the price, 10 times the cool.